ऑक्टोबरात जावपी ब्रिक्स परिशदेक लागून पंचायतीन तात्पुरते टावर उबारल्यात. पंचायतीन हांकां ना हरकतीचो दाखलो दिला. मात ब्रिक्साच्या नांवान कायमचे टावर थंय घालचे न्हय अशी मागणी थळावे करतात. रिलायन्सान कायदेशीरपणान टावरांची उबारणी करची. बेकायदेशीरपणान थळाव्यांक विश्वासात घेयनासतना हे टावर उबारचे न्हय अशी मागणी करमणे गांवच्या थळाव्यांनी केल्या. आरडीएक्सो खातीर मडगांवच्यान मंदार नायक.
So most of the villages have given like a temporary NOC for putting temporary towers. But what we are trying to stress here is do not use bricks for putting up permanent towers. So that is the whole point. This press conference has been called for. So most of the Gram Sabhas have allowed you to put temporary towers. So do not use the brick summit for putting permanent structures. So if at all permanent structures are being attempted without the approval of the people, then the people will be taking their own individual decision. Reliance Jio in Carmona has put up a tower without any NOC, and now they are applying to the panchayat for regularization, which yesterday we have hundreds of villagers had to come on the site at the panchayat and tell the panchayat that refuse this NOC to Reliance Jio. Reliance Jio is putting up towers in the form of camouflage water tanks. It's looking as if Reliance is going to supply water all over Carmona, and they are doing this work middle of the night. You cannot expect to put up a tower without the knowledge of the people concerned. You have to take the residents into consideration.
Proposal has come to government. 5 towers to be installed in Kablasim. Kablasim already there are 5 towers and there is no problem of your connectivity. If there is no problem of connectivity, where is the constraint to have more towers? So there is absolutely no need to have more towers. Moreover, you get connection even in closed environment, that is in the house. And to have more towers is nothing more than to destroy the villages. This is what very clearly we have mandated in our Gram Sabha. We don't want any more towers in Kablasim village. We directly refuse them to have more towers in Kablasim.